bago po natin i-announce ang ating winner tonight, allow me to give the floor sa mag-asawa para po magpasalamat sa lahat ng suppliers, lahat ng guests na nandito, also to the families and friends who celebrated here with us. So, to thank you further, pakinggan natin Mr. and Mrs. Torres.
Thank you everyone who attended this very special milestone in our life. We couldn't imagine na ganito kaganda and kasaya yung magiging event na to. And syempre, taking this Saturday off, even na may mga errands kayo or other activities. Pero you choose to attend our wedding, kaya it's a very special moment for us. Everyone na umattend dito, we specifically invited you because we want you to witness na another chapter in our life. So other than that, itong event na to, it would be possible by the help of our wedding coordinator, RD Events Entertainment Production. Thank you very much sa lahat ng patience, delay na response. Grabe, wala akong masabi sa effort nila. Halos lahat sila hands-on sa pag-help dito sa amin. Kasi sa totoo lang, gusto talaga namin ng gym kami ma-pull out namin tong event na to kaming dalawa lang. Pero hindi siya possible pala na kaming dalawa lang. And also sa church na kung saan kami kinasal, Chapel on the Hill, Don Bosco, sa reception, Hacienda Solange. Thank you very much for accommodating us. And also the catering, Hacienda Solange Catering. Napakasarap ng food. Salamat at nabusog nyo at napa-enjoy nyo yung bisita sa pagkain. And also sa cocktail foods, while waiting for us, sana nag-enjoy rin kayo sa mga street foods. And also sa crew meals, sa pag-provide ng food supplies para sa lahat ng suppliers na nag-effort para sa wedding na to. Sa aming prep location, Casa Elisa, ang dami namin na-request kagabi sa kanila. Although it's raining hard and nag-check-in kami ng late, pero sobrang helpful ng lahat ng staff nila to accommodate our big family. And also, capture moments from our save the date until our wedding. Maraming salamat sa pag-help sa amin mag-post ni Jim. No, tanggal yung awkwardness namin. And also sa magagandang output na binibigay nyo na serves as memory for us husband and wife. And also sa iFix Project, sa souvenirs na naibigay sa mga tao for the photo booth, the hair and makeup glam by Donna Camille, making the bridesmaids and the whole entourage beautified more. And also sa mga flowers na set up by entourage by Australia's House of Flowers, the souvenirs for guests. Thank you to my sister Danica and her husband for Be Creatives. Thank you for the gift. And also the setup for the lights and sound, Hacienda Solange. The yummy cake from Sweet Tooth from our amazing host Ed. Wala kang masabi. Thank you for entertaining every one of us. And also, Stick Band, napakagaling na banda, Diyos ko. Kung tutuusin, wala kami talagang peg sa music. Parang, inasa na namin sa kanila. And for the drinks and mobile bar, thank you to my brother Collins for gifting this to us. And also Baritska Mobile Bar for providing the booze. And yun lang. And also to our parents, thank you Mommy and Daddy. And also, ay, wait lang, hindi ko makita. Ay, Papa D, Mama Lani. Ikaw, ano na?
Tatay, nanay.
And also sa mga nag-travel from different countries, Tita Monching, Tito Remy, thank you, Tito Bugok for traveling all the way from Iloilo, thank you very much. And also to Nira, umuwi po siya galing Spanya. Kahit alam ko ang favorite ni Mama, si Rebda, Charay. Pero thank you sa pag-uwi. And also sa Kuya Micah from US, thank you, umuwi pa. And also all the guests na nag-travel outside from Makati, from Pasig, from Las Piñas, from Cebu, Ate Mau, sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas at ng mundo. Maraming salamat po. And also to my lola, 97 na siya pero go siya. Shot ka na doon. Kaya mo pa yan. Ayun, maraming salamat po. And also to our Ninong and Ninang na nag-help sa amin, and especially to Ninong Paul and Ninang Ochi, salamat sa pag-help sa amin sa church. And also to my amazing bridesmaids squad, salamat pinaisin niyo yung araw ko. And also to my husband.
Kiss!
Ano ba?
Kiss! Uy!
Ayun, maraming salamat dahil ikaw yung naging katuwang ko.
Kiss again.
Ikaw naman.
Ayan, thank you sa lahat ng mga...
Sorry pala sa sister ko, si Nina, umuwi pa siya ng maaga galing sa barko para lang maka-attend dito. Nasaan sila? Thank you, Ate Nina.
Ayan, thank you sa lahat ng mga pumunta, friends, family, mga ka-work, ayan, sila Dove sa Amiga. Ayan, mga friends din ni Yana sa work niya, and especially kay Makoy, si EU friends, and Babe Chef friends. Also, Pinga friends. Ayan, ingat kayo pa uwi. Thank you sa pagpunta.
Palakpakan po natin, Mr. and Mrs. Torres. Oh, meron pa yan na. Meron pa. Wala na.
Meron. And lastly, si Prince, ang baby girl namin. Thank you sa pag-assist
Yeah.
talaga.
Parang yung baby girl.
Siya ang baby girl namin.
Alright, thank you. Sinali natin sa game, no? Alright, i-announce po natin kung sino ang ating grand winner tonight to receive the grandest prize for this celebration. Congratulations to Lincoln Prize, Karen Salgado! Congratulations to Karen Salgado. You deserve this.